RSS is a very effective SEO strategy, and not that many people know about it, and not that many people really understand how to use it. Google, in fact, recently published an SEO starter guide that gives you the basics on how you can get better search rankings. And in the guide, they say that the most important factor, more so than anything else, is to have excellent and really relevant content, and not the static old content that you would find on a static website. It needs to be constantly updated. You need fresh content and exclusive content. This is the kind of content that builds you inbound links, and those are the links that Google values so highly. People link to really good content. If it's available to them, they'll publish it on their site and link back to your site. And the best way to make that available to others is to use RSS feeds. They're really, really vital. In fact, Charlene Lee, formerly the Vice President and Principal Analyst from Forrester Research, said that if she could choose to be a social technology, she'd choose to be RSS, because it makes everything work together. It's actually the foundation of social applications, and without RSS, the social web would just grind to a halt. So, when you're planning your SEO strategy for 2009, content should definitely be at the top of the list, and syndicating that content in RSS will give your SEO strategy a shot in the arm.